Mechanical assemblies are pervasive in our lives, from Lego and furniture all the way up to complex products found in advanced manufacturing, across industries such as heavy machinery, aerospace, automotive, and semiconductor manufacturing. At C Infinity, we are building AIDA, your AI design assistant that transforms 3D CAD assemblies into interactive virtual builds with step-by-step assembly sequences. To get started, visit cloud.cinfinity.ai. Sign in with your Microsoft, Google, or Onshape account. Once you're in, explore our public gallery or upload your own step file. We support files up to 100 megabytes. AIDA has a simple user interface where on the left-hand side you see the uploaded engineering bill of materials, also called the EBOM. Think of the EBOM as the engineer's parts list, every nut, bolt, and component you see in the CAD. Click a part name to highlight its 3D geometry, or click a shape to find its entry in the EBOM. You can multi-select parts using Shift and Drag or Control-Click for group actions. AIDA parses your engineering bill of materials and helps convert it into a manufacturing bill of materials, also called the MBOM. Think of the MBOM as the factory's assembly recipe, how those parts actually go together on the shop floor. To convert the EBOM to the MBOM, AIDA's core concept is the assembly unit, a grouping of parts that need to be assembled together. Defining assembly units breaks down the problem of planning the assembly of the larger product into the problem of planning smaller sub-assemblies independently. Next, we get to AIDA's most powerful feature, which is the Generate Plan button. Hit Generate Plan, and AIDA computes every sequence step automatically within minutes. All planned parts and assembly units have a red or a green icon next to them after planning. A green icon means the subassembly was successfully planned. You can click the Show Isolated button to see the AI-generated assembly sequence for that assembly unit. This can be done while the other assembly units are being planned because AIDA plans each assembly unit independently. A red icon means a unit or a part can't be assembled, either due to AIDA's current limits, AIDA cannot handle flexible components or parts needing rotations to assemble, or because there's a real design flaw. Early detection is a game changer. Instead of waiting days for a physical prototype review, or worse, discovering the mistake on the shop floor, AIDA flags issues in minutes. That means you avoid costly downtime, material waste, and emergency design iterations. Here, the bolt in the flywheel assembly is too long to fit its bracket. With AIDA, you get instant feedback, and you can go back to your CAD tool, shorten the bolt, re-upload your step file, and watch as the red icon turns green. Once the assembly units are all green, you can immediately review the full virtual build, step by step for each unit. That means higher first-pass success rates, fewer shop floor surprises, and faster time to market. You want to tweak the order in which the parts are assembled, rearrange steps in the AI-generated plan, then validate the plan to check feasibility on the fly. A virtual build represents the starting point for a full MBOM, which will include more detailed information for the manufacturing team. Future versions of AIDA will include support for detailed annotation and release. Create as many virtual build scenarios as you like, each representing a different assembly unit structure or product configuration to explore what-if builds side by side. Share any scenario by simply sharing a URL. Email it to a colleague and they can pick up right where you left off. With AIDA, catch design issues before the shop floor Skip tedious exploded view CAD work, explore what-if scenarios, and accelerate your time to market. Try AIDA free or contact us for enterprise installations. Visit cloud.cinfinity.ai or email us at info@cinfinity.ai.